and answer, and that's easier. This is really difficult to talk. But I talk a lot also, so I can talk. So now I'll stop talking and do a bit of music, which is what I was talking about, which is inspired by folk music or music which I created, inspired by poetry, which has similes and metaphors from nature. So yeah, I'm still uncomfortable if you want a chair. Which means I have how many minutes to sing?
Can I just request that we put the lights down low a tiny bit so it's not bright in their eyes, please?
Yeah, thank you so much.
That's great, thank you.
Hello. Sorry, this is called a sound check. It will be really quick. Hello, upon volume. Less of my guitar. So this is a song which Papon wrote, which is again about Pola for Ronga Fool, which is a beautiful flower in Assam, which is about Phagun or Posuaba, which is a beautiful month in February, my favorite. And I have two romantic, and I think nature is super romantic. And so was my dad. He used to tell me, wherever you travel, he'll tell me, in 300 kilometers, he'll say, okay, his eyes closed. He'll say, okay, Nagaon Paisu, we'll find two Kunarus here. So, how much nature in me. So, this song was my first ever song, which I released. That was, I shortened the song, I just sang a bit of it because that was my one first ever song. The next one is, so Tea Gardens. I had represented a song from the Tea Gardens to the rest of the world through a platform called Coke Studio. And this is beautiful, the response. So I'll just sing, you guys already know, whoever doesn't, it's from the Tea Gardens of Assam. While they pluck the leaves, the ladies, they sing this. It's very beautiful, the lyrics. There's a beautiful dance also, it's called Shumur. I wish there was space another night where girls could come up and dance here. Maybe we can't tonight. It's okay, see you guys are like in sync in beat? All of you? Yeah. Papon on the tala se ho. Zure ho jao. Yeah. Acha koi jao yaar. Ye chuke bandi tera hi loki kupa hai. Kupa na bande aaj kariya kaun sai bola. Ye chuke bandi tera hi loki kupa hai. तो के नजरी लगा तो के नजरी लगा ये वृंदावन ओ हरे सखी तो के नजरी लगा ये वृंदावन तेरा ही लोगी कुपा है नूनू दिया माटी तेरा ही लोगी कुपा है ओ देवरा तुम जोड़ीला देवरा तुम जोड़ीला ए वृंदावन ओ हरे सखी देवरा तुम जोड़ीला ए वृंदावन And immediately, if it is, I'll do one line because I think time is to do something else now. If you want to do immediate nature, in Assam it's Bihu, and that's all about harvesting. It's all about sowing your crop, eating your crop, and all that, and all the love that happens in between doing all this. So it's more about the romance between going through agriculture and how it kind of is part of our life. I think that's enough for tonight. Music too. Aisha? Be only then. Oh, move it, but to walk in my mother, everybody know. Come on, you can show the guests what the hoy is like. How many Assamese people are around here? How can you Hoy! That's quite good. I mean, you can do this. I've done it all over the world. Oh, move it, but to walk in my mother, everybody know. Hoy! I'm supposed to say hoy. Hoy. You have the mic, so you can say hoy. And which means yes. Oh, move it, but to walk in my mother, everybody know. Hoy! That's beautiful. Thank you so much. I think that's enough. What? Ladies first. This is not folk, this is not Assamese, but I need to do this because this is what made me so popular that I could take my folk to the world. You know, and this is a song from a film. I was lucky and blessed to get a song like this. It's also it's a funny joke. I want to be funny. So I'm from Northeast. I keep telling people we love momos, right? Don't we? So this song is called Momo Ki Thali, and I had to get this song. You need to be shallow. It's very important. That's my USP.
La